Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Meera Math Solution. I'm going to start with Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Number System based on the new NCERT syllabus. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the new notification of the new sums. Exercise number 1.6, second question, find. In that first sub question 9 raised to 3 by 2. सेम वे जैसे हम लोग ने फर्स्ट वाले में किया था कि लाइक एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग. तो व्हाट इज एलसीएम ऑफ 9? 3 3s are 9. Will give you 1. So 3 को 2 टाइम करेंगे then it will give you 9. So instead of writing 9, can I write 3 raised to 2? The whole raised to 3 by 2. Now this satisfies your which law of expression? Exponent a raised to p the whole raised to q. So a raised to p into q. Fine. So it will give you 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 raised to 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So your answer is 27. Now second question is 32 raised to 2 by 5. Again we will find the LCM of 32. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So how many times 2 is been repeated? 1 2 3 4 5. So instead of writing 32, can I write 2 raised to 5? The whole raised to 2 by 5. Now this is satisfying your which law of expression? Exponent a raised to p the whole raised to q. So a raised to p into q. So I can write 2 raised to 5 into 2 upon 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 2 raised to 2. So 2 into 2 will give you how much? 2 2s are 4. So your answer is 4. Now third sum is 16 raised to 3 by 4. तो 16 को हम लोग LCM 16 का LCM निकालेंगे. नॉर्मली ऐसे भी आ सकता है लाइक 4 into 4. बट नहीं, हम लोग को हमेशा नॉर्मली सिंपल फॉर्म से स्टार्ट करना है. फाइन ना, ताकि ये कैंसल भी हो सके. सो आई स्टार्ट विथ 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. तो 2 कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ है? 4 टाइम्स. तो 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 by 4. ये मैंने इसलिए लिया ताकि आराम से आपका 4 और 4 क्या हो सके? कैंसिल हो सकता है. नाउ this is satisfying your which law of exponent a raised to p into q. That is a p into q. Now 2 raised to 4 into 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 2 raised to 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is your final answer. Fourth sum 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. Now LCM of 125 is 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25. So instead of writing 125, can I write 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to minus 1 upon 3. Now this is satisfying your which law of exponent? A raised to p the whole raised to q is equal to a p into q. अब जितनी बार फॉर्मूलाज लिखोगे आपको उतनी बार अच्छे से याद हो जाएगा. So 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 5 raised to minus 1. Now ये क्या है 5:-1। इस 5:-1 को हम लोग और कैसे सिंपल फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, लाइक a⁻n था, सो हाउ आई एम सपोज टू राइट, लाइक a1/a⁻n। सेम वे यहाँ पर क्या है 5:-1, सो हाउ यू कैन राइट 1/5:1 और 1/5. This will be your final answer.